Yan guys, papasok na ako sa doon sa pinakaloob para asakay na ako ng eroplano. Punta ako guys sa Bacolod. Yan, nandito sa mga gwardiya ng guys, pasok na ako sa X-ray machine. Papasok na yung mga gamit ko, bag. Ito na kami guys sa waiting area.
Cebu Pacific Airline 5G 357 Alpha Romas is now boarding the boarding gate 1248. May we request all Romas bound guests like 5G 357 kindly board the aircraft now to boarding gate 1348. Once again, boarding gate 1348 on board please.
Mr. Paulo Benjamin Dico on flight IJ357 bound for Rojas. Guests are requested to proceed immediately to boarding gate 1348 downstairs for your flight. Thank you.
Yan na guys yung yung Cebu Pacific na sasakyan ko. Yan yung runway Cebu Pacific. Dami rin na naghihintay.
Alam ko po kasi 4:45
Baba lang ko sa may upuan. Ang ganda ni madam. Grabe guys ang tangkad. Mas matangkad pa kay Mr. Noy na. Ayun. Tangkad niya. Andiyan sinawag na yung boarding pass ko. 119. 119.
Once again, this is the final boarding call for guests Mr. Lazaro Aganan, Miss Maria Gete, Miss Jeneline Namayo, Mr. Marcelo Santos on flight 5J615 bound for Tagbilaran. This is your final call to board the aircraft through boarding gate 117. Once again, guests Mr. Lazaro Aganan, Miss Maria Gete, Miss Jeneline Namayo, and Mr. Marcelo Santos. This is your final call to board the aircraft through boarding gate 117.
Doon pa guys yung 119 boarding pass. Yan guys ang eroplano na sasakyan ko. Alam yun guys, hindi ka na maglakad. Ayan dyan, pag tamad ka lumakad, pwede ka dyan. Mayroong bata rin dyan, kiddie lounge.
May we have your attention please? This is the final call for guests starting on flight 5G653 on Tacloban. Guests are requested to proceed to the aircraft now to boarding gate 133A. Once again, this is the final boarding call for guests, Mr. Lazaro Aganan. Mr. Lazaro Aganan of flight 5J615 bound for Tagbilaran. 5J489 bound for Bacolod. May I have your attention?
Ayan guys,
This is not the
may plano na sasakyan ko papuntang Bacolod.
Warning.
Ayan
Please
guys,
be advised that your flight is currently full for today.
papuntang
And
Bacolod.
we may not have enough space inside over the bins for your bags. For seamless boarding and to avoid the inconvenience of having your bags intercepted during boarding, guests may voluntarily surrender your bags here at gate.
Papunta na kami guys sa aeroplano guys. Yes, dito kami sa loob. Papuntang aeroplano para sasakay na. Kasi na guys, ang oras ay 4:20. 4:20 tapos ang alis ko guys 4:35. Yan guys, papasok na ako sa aeroplano. Hindi na pala sasakay ng Yan guys, sa aeroplano na ako. Nasa area na kami. Sa taas na kami na malawakan. Pero 1 hour guys, dito na kami sa Silay, Bacolod. Yan guys, palabas na kami. Yan guys, sa escalator kami, pababa na. Isang oras din guys na biyahe namin. Yan guys, tahimik na dito, walang sa ng tao.